Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. As you all know, the NEET results are out. All of you got your ranks, scores and everything. And most of the states now are starting the registration process and also the choice filling process. In fact, a couple of states already have announced the choice filling process. So from that perspective, what we're doing at Medical 360 is to create state by state the number of seats that are there, the number of students who qualified, what kind of cutoff happened last year, and what are your chances of getting into it at a college level and at a category level also, which is the college and the category of unreserved, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, all those things is what we're covering. Right now, what we're going to cover now is Uttar Pradesh, all government medical colleges that are there, and what are the seats and closing ranks of last year is what we'll talk. Now, before moving further, there is a lot of requests that are being coming from students, which is about personalized counseling. So, if you need any counseling, because NEET is a very complicated counseling process. You actually have the state counseling, you have the all India counseling, then you have the deemed universities. So, if you need any counseling so that you are more understanding of what exactly is likely to happen, do send us a message on this number 8130376334. Send us a message NEET on this number, and one of our NEET counselors will call you up to understand what your issue is and help you out also, right? And we also created a product which is search on Google Career 360 NEET College Predictor. All you need to do is to input your score, rank, category, state, and everything, and it will tell you what are your chances of getting into college based on last year's data. Remember, based on last year's data. So it might just help you understand what your chances are, and you will be able to determine for yourself. And do subscribe to Medical 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students like yourself understand what happened last year and what's likely to happen this year. We're going to put all data out here so that you are able to understand your journey in this entire admission process, because this is a long drawn counseling process that you're going to deal with. And this subscribing to this channel will ensure that you are always up to date about with the information that you need to know. And by the way, this is not a one-off thing that we're doing. We're creating a lot of content across states, across deemed, government, private, and everything like that as separate videos. So do subscribe to that. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. And SRM, you must know, regularly features at the top of the national rankings for many, many years. Now let's get down to the colleges, right? The most important thing that you must know is how did the students of the state perform and how more competitive or less competitive it would be. Now, the thing is, this year, in Uttar Pradesh, the number of seats in government medical college has not changed at all. It is zero change. The number was 5,700 last year. It remains 5,700 this year, which is unfortunate because I do hope that a state like Uttar Pradesh would keep increasing their government medical college seats, which are more affordable, where everyone can compete with. But there seems to be a zero increase as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned. That is sad for me, right? But in private, there are 800 seats increase, which is about 12% increase. 7,500 it was last time, and now it seems to be it seems to have increased by about 11%, right? So in all, the number of seats that you have is what was 13,200 has become 14,000 this year, which is again a jump of about less than about 7-8%, because government seats have not increased at all. So the number of students who qualified was almost remained the same. It was last year 1,70,684. This year is 1,70,770. So about 86 students more qualified, which is nothing in terms of the proportion that you have. So what we're dealing with at a macro level is that 800 more seats, but government is zero. And in all, the number of students who qualified is more or less the same. So you're likely to face slightly more competition because there is not much government seats that are increased. That's a challenge that you're dealing with. And in all, there are 47 government medical colleges that are there in the state of Uttar Pradesh, which give 5,700 seats. Now let's talk of the 47 medical colleges. The first one is King George Medical University, Lucknow, which is the most competitive. Here, the unreserved last year highest closing cutoff was 4,013 rank, 5,207 for OBC, 44,991 for ST, and 94,594 for the ST category. Then Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, 6,395 unreserved. OBC was 6,578, EWS is 6,705. SC is 61,854 and ST is 148,720. GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, 9,853 one unreserved, 9,342 OBC, EWS is 8,404, SC is 91,457, SC is 1,82,363. We're talking of all India common rank list. Remember that? And this is the highest closing cutoff last year for each of these colleges at a category level. Then Government Institute of Medical Sciences, Greater Noida, 10,268 unreserved, OBC is 13,404, EWS is 13,386, 92,641 for SC, and ST is 2,45,496. Then you have Lala Lajpat Rai Memorial Medical College, Meerut, 10,621 unreserved, OBC is 12,822, EWS is 12,057, 96,850 for SC, and ST is 2,47,793. Then you have Motilal Nehru Medical College, Allahabad, 12,373 for unreserved. OBC is 12,633. 12,959 for EWS. SC was 1,06,077. ST is 2,96,075. Then you have Baba Raghavdas Medical College, Gorakhpur, 12,441 for unreserved. OBC is 13,815. 12,403 for EWS. SC is 1,16,081. ST was 2,25,495. ESAC Medical College and Hospital, Noida, 13,619 for unreserved, 15,683 for OBC. EWS is 16,680, 1,12,489 for SC. ST we don't have data. Sarojini Naidu Medical College, Agra, 13,920 for unreserved. OBC is 14,585. EWS is 14,577. 1,04,285 for SC and ST is 2,78,496. Maharani Lakshmibai Medical College, Jhansi, 15,331 for unreserved. OBC is 16,058. EWS is 17,883. SC is 1,22,943 and ST is 3,48,085. Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, Sci-Fi, 15,830 for unreserved. OBC is 15,889. EWS is 17,685. SC is 1,25,377. ST is 3,21,240. ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Varanasi, 16,233 for unreserved. OBC is 18,294. EWS is 17,279. 1,69,309 for SC. Sheikh Ul Hind Maulana Mahmood Hassan Medical College, Saharanpur, 16,947 for unreserved. OBC is 17,889. SC is 1,47,942. ST is 447,924. Kalyan Singh Government Medical College, Bulandshahr, 18,118 for unreserved. OBC is 21,970. 20,779 for EWS. SC is 1,47,015. 5,14,817 for ST. Government Medical College and Super Facility Hospital, Chakrapanpur, 18,495 for unreserved. OBC is 20,657. 1,40,335 for SC. ST is 397,094. Government Medical College, Kannauj, 18,714 for unreserved. OBC is 20,391. 1,56,374 for SC and ST is 372,655. Then Autonomous State Medical College, Ayodhya, 18,803 for unreserved. OBC is 20,127. 20,073 for EWS. 168,148 for SC and ST is 352 to 920. Maharshi Devraha Baba Autonomous State Medical College, Deoria, 20,046 for unreserved. OBC is 23,706. EWS is 22,176. SC is 1,86,872 and ST is 4,74,151. Autonomous State Medical College, Firozabad, 20,059 for unreserved. OBC is 24,461. EWS is 23,255. SC is 1,71,844. 5,04,815 for ST. Mahamaya Rajkiya Allopathic Medical College, Ambedkar Nagar, 20,256 for unreserved. OBC is 21,534. 169,585 for SC and ST is 443,605. Government Medical College, Badaun, 20,448 for unreserved. OBC is 23,987. SC is EWS is 23,124. 162,548 for SC and 4,07,503 for ST. Government Allopathic Medical College, Banda, 29,89 for unreserved. OBC is 22,306. SC is 1,79,817. ST is 3,99,031. Government Medical College, Jalan, 21,502 for unreserved. OBC is 22,350. SC is 1,79,649. 453,902 for ST. Madhav Prasad Tripathi Medical College and Hospital, Siddharth Nagar, 22,051 for unreserved. 23,204 for OBC. EWS is 25,621. 186,938 for SC and ST is 2,40,242. Autonomous State Medical College, Basti, 22,269 for unreserved. OBC is 23,746. EWS is 25,156. SC is 1,87,139. ST is 447,660. State Medical College, Shahjahanpur, 23,159 for unreserved. OBC is 24,967. EWS is 23,749. SC is 1,81,998. We don't have data for ST. Autonomous State Medical College, Eta, 23,941 for unreserved. OBC is 27,163. EWS is 24,817. 181,294 for ST and ST is 470,599. Autonomous State Medical College Associated Teaching Hospital, Bharej, 23,949 for unreserved. OBC is 25,920. EWS is 25,364. SC is 188,035. ST is 458,412. Mahatma Vidur Autonomous State Medical College, Bijnor, 24,343 for unreserved. OBC is 25,690. 28,204 for EWS. SC is 172,194. 517,725 for ST. Autonomous State Medical College Sultanpur, 24,978 for unreserved, 38,59 for EW, OBC, EWS is 28,850, 183,577 for SC and 428,685 for ST. Autonomous State Medical College Fatehpur, 25,052 for unreserved, OBC is 27,879, EWS is 27,382, SC is 187,804, ST is 334,436. Autonomous State Medical College Mirzapur, 26,147 for unreserved, OBC is 28,790, EWS is 31,747, 188,975 for SC, ST is 486,052. Autonomous State Medical College Hardoi, 26,377 for unreserved, 29,197 for OBC, EWS is 27,545, SC 181,634, ST is 447,649. Autonomous State Medical College Gonda, 27,067 for unreserved, OBC is 30,592, EWS 29,403, 190,830 for SC and ST is 403,862. Umanath Singh Autonomous State Medical College Jaunpur, 27,435 for unreserved, OBC is 29,623, EWS is 31,071, 189,183 for SC and ST is 5,03,057. Autonomous State Medical College Lakhimpur Kheri, 28,730 for unreserved, OBC is 31,318, EWS 32,741, 190,841 for SC and ST is 530,761. Autonomous State Medical College Society Auria, 29,779 for unreserved, 32,125 for OBC, EWS 32,129, 188,101 for SC and ST is 534,437. Autonomous State Medical College Kanpur Dehat, 30,179 for unreserved, OBC is 31,491, EWS 30,623, 186,238 for SC and ST is 531,087. Autonomous State Medical College Pratapgarh, 30,432 for unreserved, OBC is 31,416, EWS 30,508, 189,439 for SC and ST is 376,228. Autonomous State Medical College Ghazipur, 30,709 for unreserved, OBC is 30,282, EWS 32,168, SC 190,124, ST is 492,510. Autonomous State Medical College Kushinagar, 30,824 for unreserved, OBC is 31,537, EWS 32,313, SC is 190,918 and ST is 492,890. Autonomous Government Medical College Lalitpur, 31,091 for unreserved, 32,382 for OBC, EWS 32,605, SC is 191,506. We don't have data for ST. Baba Kinaram Autonomous State Medical College Chandauli, 31,973 for unreserved, OBC is 32,410, 32,610 for EWS, SC is 192,636, ST is 519,827. Autonomous State Medical College Kaushambi, 31,993 for unreserved, OBC is 32,650, 31,285 for EWS, SC is 192,494, ST is 536,133. Autonomous State Medical College Amethi, 32,352 for unreserved, OBC is 32,679, 33,103 for EWS, SC is 191,523. Autonomous State Medical College Sonbhadra, 32,366 for unreserved, OBC is 32,848, 32,896 for EWS, SC is 192,558, ST is 454,166. So that's what we have. What we have is about 45 plus colleges, government medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh. What I showed you is all the cutoff that you have across all the categories for all the government medical colleges. I've also told you that there is not much of an increase in the number of seats in the government medical colleges. So to that extent, the people of Uttar Pradesh are disadvantaged because there's not been a growth, right? But thankfully, there is not much of a growth in the number of students who qualified, only 86, which is very, very marginal. And by the way, the counseling process of all these states is very, very complicated. So if you need any help, this is the number that you can reach out to, which is 8130376334. Send us a message NEET on this number, and one of our counselors will call you and understand what your problem is and try to solve that for you. We also created a college predictor to help you decide for yourself, which is search on Google Career 360 NEET College Predictor. And you will actually have all you need to do is to input your rank, your state, your category, and what you're looking for. It will tell you what are your chances of getting into any of the government medical colleges or state or deemed or private or anything like that. So you can look out for that. Do subscribe to Medical 360 on YouTube, because we're creating a lot of content to help students like yourself decide for yourself. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College and Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. And SRM, you must know, regularly features at the top of the national rankings across the country for many, many years. I hope all this information helps you out. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.